at a Mexican restaurant today. I've never had Mexican food before, and today I'm going to try with my friend Aisha. So I just got here. The place is actually nice. So I'm going to be giving reviews on this food, how it tastes, if I love it, and I'm going to be giving it over 10. So I'm going through I would have done my research before coming here so that I can know what to try. But I'm thinking maybe I should ask them to recommend something for me. But on the other hand, I'm with their menu here. So I'm just going to go through it and see what entices me. Then I'll know what to go for. For now, I'm just going through these pages and I'm like lost. Aisha is calling me. Oh, was that flash? Aisha was calling me. I'm thinking maybe rice, something that has chicken. Because you know we're Nigerians, we cannot try ourselves. So we just have to play it safe. But I think I want to go all out like Aisha!
We're trying Mexican food for the first time ever.
We made the waiter suggest Mexican dishes for us.
Authentic Mexican dishes.
So we're asking him to recommend for us. So we're trying this. What do you call it?
The beef fajitas.
Fajitas.
Yes.
And
We're trying the
enchiladas.
Yes, we're sharing the enchiladas. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
And also the mogaite.
Which one?
Where's that?
The mogaite. Here is the mogaite.
Oh,
New.
mogaite.
New.
Okay, it's even new.
So we'll have that.
And
Okay, I'm Nelson and I will be your waiter for the day.
Thank you, Nelson.
Nelson.
So Nelson recommended our dishes. Let's just hope. Complimentary. We love complimentary things. Ooh. The one with the rice.
Yeah, one rice. Thanks to husband.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So, we will have our food inside. So let us know when the food is ready. Out of a 10, I would give it a good 7. Like,
7.
Yeah, it tastes like it's real ice cream.
Ooh. Viva Mexico means long live
So he
Mexico.
said it's not Mexico, it's Mexico.
Mexico.
Thank you very much for that education.
Enchiladas.
Okay, so what's in here?
There's cheese. There's the rolled tortilla bread filling with the chicken. And this is chipotle sauce.
Oh.
Chipotle sauce.
Yeah.
So when we're eating it, we mix everything together and just like eat it in one.
Like a dish of this. Ask for the fried beans. Then take a part of this.
And then just eat it. Thank you very much.
Okay, so here's the fajitas.
What?
Fajitas.
Fajitas.
Here is the compliment.
For the fajita.
Ooh.
Touch it, you get cauliflower.
Please don't touch it, babe.
Thank
Okay,
you.
let me get some off.
Here is your
Ooh.
fajitas with grilled cheese.
Mocaite with grilled cheese.
I was not expecting.
God. We have a lot to eat today.
with riches. You can make, take this, take the tortilla bread, this tortilla bread.
Okay.
It's made from corn.
Okay.
Corn.
Okay.
So, you add this to it, add some rice, then
Roll it.
and then eat it.
Same thing with this. Same thing with
No. Alright, so enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow. So we're going to be making a wrap with this. So we should mix this and this in that. So I think I'll start with this because I'm scared of that.
You start with that mouth. How does it taste? Your facial reaction, I can't tell.
I'll give it a 6.
A 6 out of 10.
I can taste the cheese because I love cheese.
A 6. Ah, that's this. The
What do you think?
Esther, you are being nice by giving them 6.
I know. This is what? 4, 5.
So that because the guy is nice.
Yeah. What did you say this was again?
Enchilada. We got
Enchiladas.
the grilled cheese enchilada. So it's filled
Grilled
with cheese.
enchilada, and this is beans.
Yes. Wait, let me
It's like we're gonna have running stomach.
so that they can see these beans. This should be interesting.
Order it at your own risk. None of our business.
Yes, really.
Left to me, I just feel it's awara. I swear, awara dipped in cheese. That's what I feel like, and bigiri, you know.
But yeah, we had fun. It was a good first try of Mexican food. The next time we're trying Mexican food, guess where we are trying it?
Oh, in Mexico.
You have told us.
By the way, Nelson was a good host. He gave us the best treats
Yes,
ever.
yes.
Thank you, Nelson.
Thank you, Nelson.
Yeah, we enjoyed it.
Like this, like this.
Yes, this one.
Was because choose
Cheese. Okay, even if we choose something with meat, it would have been better.
Oh, you that's true.
And another way to enjoy this when it's very spicy.
Ah.
Spicy or spicy.
Okay, you like spicy. But next time, we'll try to give that a second try.
Yeah. But in Mexico, not in
Mexico.
not in Cedi Plaza.
Mexico.
In Mexico. In Mexico.
We like the enchiladas and the fajitas.
We are finished.
Huh?
Okay. What we did not. What we are not
Okay,
sure.
now he
is
said if we had this spicy with like something, because we had this with cheese, so it wasn't giving as much. But
Oh, thank you very much, Nelson.
oh, the blue looks so nice.
Sombrero.
You can just put it like this.
We're in Mexico. Aisha.
This is maybe too much fun for me.
Hi. Speaking to you from Mexico.
We should have learned some Mexican words before coming today.
Yeah.
And
We learned one, Mexico.
yes, that's the actual way to say Mexican.
And fajitas. Enchiladas.
Even though it's
Yes.
we learned a few things. So today we had an authentic Mexican experience.
Yes.
We love it so much.
So beautiful. It has
So much fun.
What they call Mexican? Mexican. I say Mexicanas. You actually said you. Why they call Mexican? Sorry. Excuse my laugh. My drink is talking.
But yes, we enjoyed the food here. We will definitely be back, but we said the next time we eat Mexican food, we are eating it in Mexico. So hopefully, you guys get to see that one day.
Yeah, so what dishes are they trying? Enchilada, that's my
Try
best.
the enchiladas. We love the enchiladas. You could try the fajitas as well.
Fajitas.
But I felt it was very easy to make. Like I could make it
We
as
have to come back for the next one. I don't know what they call it. Nkurudus.
Bye. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to her channel. Sorry.
Subscribe, like, comment, leave your comment below.
Leave it and share with your friends and family.
And tell us what other dish you want us to try next. I think we should look for a Jamaican
I was going to say, we should also do Amala. Find best Amala place in Abuja. I love Amala.